In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and open multiple URLs in Chrome with one click using a simple free extension that can save you a ton of time. If you ever find yourself opening the same set of websites over and over or pasting links one by one into new tabs, this trick is going to make your workflow so much faster. It's especially useful for research, school, work, content creation, or anyone who needs to launch multiple pages at once. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works right inside Chrome, so there's no complicated setup needed. Once Chrome is open, the first thing you want to do is copy all the links you want to open. You can select multiple URLs from a document, a notes app, a spreadsheet, or anywhere else you have them saved. Just highlight all the links and copy them together. The goal is to have all the URLs ready so you can paste them into the extension in one shot. Now, to make this work, we need to install a Chrome extension called Open Multiple URLs. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, hover over Extensions and then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can search for browser tools and add-ons. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar and type Open Multiple URLs. When the extension appears in the results, click on Open Multiple URLs to open its page. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you're installing the right tool. This extension is designed to take a list of URLs and open them all at once in separate tabs, which is exactly what we need. Next, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension when the pop-up appears. After that, the extension will install automatically. In just a few seconds, it should be ready to use right in your browser. Now that the extension is installed, it's time to open it. Look for the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. That icon is where your installed extensions are located. Click it and then find Open Multiple URLs in the list. If you want quicker access later, you can also pin it to your toolbar, but for now, just click the extension to launch it. Once the extension opens, you'll see a box where you can paste your URLs. This is where the links you copied earlier will go. Paste your URLs into the field, making sure each link is on its own line if possible. That helps the extension read them properly and open each website in a separate tab. If your links are all copied correctly, the process should be smooth and fast. After your URLs are pasted in, simply click Open URLs. Chrome will then launch each link automatically, one after another, opening them in multiple tabs. Instead of manually typing and opening each website, you now have everything ready in a single click. This is a huge time saver, especially if you use the same websites every day or need to open a list of resources quickly. And that's it. You've now learned how to copy and open multiple URLs in Chrome with one click. It's a simple trick, but once you start using it, you'll probably wonder how you ever managed without it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.